Hello everyone, I am Bhavya Sekhri and this is a part 2 of my video where I was talking about leadership skills in children. We all want our children to be successful and effective leaders. However, the first thing that you as parent can do is help your child by inculcating optimism in them. So having a positive outlook towards life will help your child to have a better future. A lot of studies have shown, a lot of researchers have proven that there is a positive correlation between having optimistic thoughts or positive outlook towards life with success. So it is said that people who are successful today have optimistic thoughts as compared to those who have negative thoughts. Now, you can inculcate optimism in them by showing the same kind of optimistic behavior when they're around. So you can change your perspective towards life as well, and you can show them positive things and thoughts. Now, another way to inculcate optimism in them will be to reward when they are sharing their positive thoughts with you, when they are showing optimism in situations which may seem a bit negative. This will really help you in long run to inculcate optimism in your child. Now, in the next part of the video, I'm going to talk about the second skill, which is to learn how to negotiate. Thank you so much for watching this video.